Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make someone your best friend on Snapchat. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to make someone a best friend in Snapchat, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to Snapchat and go to your profile on the top left, then go to the settings on the top right and select Snapchat Plus. As you can see, there is a best friend function here. To do this, click next and read the Snapchat Plus terms. If you are satisfied with the Snapchat offer, then enable Snapchat Plus functions. After that, go back to our chats or friends list and hold your finger on your friend's avatar. Next, you will have the pin as your best friend feature available. After selecting, an emoji will appear next to your friend's name, which will highlight him. To change this emoji, go back to settings and find friend emojis. Here you can choose any emoji that suits you. That's how simple it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye. Have a nice day.